Previously on Cars Adventures, famous movie director Heather Driving has come into Radiator Springs in hopes that she can make a movie about one of the cars in town. But she keeps on neglecting lightning. So he's decided to make a presentation for Heather that shows just how interesting his story is. Speed. I am speed. One winner. 42 losers. I eat losers for breakfast. I'm faster than fast. Quicker than quick. I am lightning, huh? What are you doing? Why are you talking to yourself like that? Oh, I'm just reminiscing, thinking back to the good times at Glen Allen Speedway, before it was torn down. Oh, okay. You go do that. I've got to go home for dinner. All right, bye, Mac. Bye. Glen Allen. I had my first win there. So cool. Winning an actual Piston Cup race. I was just a young car with big dreams that somehow stumbled his way into the big leagues. I was a way different car back then, too. I was really self-centered. I didn't think about anyone other than myself. Thought the Rusties guys were a bunch of gross, old, rusty cars. But here I was, at my 5th race ever, in Glen Allen Speedway. Okay, here we go. Speed. I am speed. The starting flag is out! Go, go, go! Racing at the time were some of the greatest Piston Cup racers ever. And I have no idea how I was able to beat them when I was just a rookie. Alright, you got this, Lightning. You got this. Of course, we had Chick Hicks. Always jealous, always wanting to be first. He'd do whatever it took to win. Of course, after he did get a Piston Cup unfairly, he went on to star in his own TV show. Weird thing is, though, I don't think anyone's really heard from Chick in a year. I don't even know what happened to his show. And then, of course, we had Strip Weathers, a.k.a. the King. And boy, does he deserve that nickname. He has the most wins out of any Piston Cup car ever. Other now legendary racers that I was up against included Dale Earnhardt Jr. Hey, not fair, not fair! Greg Candyman, Winfred Bradford Rutherford, and Claude Scruggs. So cool to think that I raced against all these guys. Gotta work out a plan here. I was always formulating little plans in my head, trying to figure out how to get in front in the quickest way possible. Good evening, everyone. I'm Daryl Cartrip, joined here by my good friend Bob Cutlass. Hello, everybody. We are here today at the Glen Allen 350, which is a very fascinating race so far. Recently, all the analysts have been going crazy over one car, the rookie Lightning McQueen. That's right, Daryl. They've all been going crazy not because they think he'll do a good job, but because they think he'll be so crazy awful. The guy used to be sponsored by Smell Swell. We have a message that came from Natalie Certain, our statistical analyst, who told us that there's a 0.005% chance that Lightning will win this race. Now, I'm not the best when it comes to math, but that's a really small percentage. Somehow, despite what Bob and Daryl said, and against literally all the odds, I was able to win this race. I wasn't doing too hot for the first 50 laps or so. But as the race progressed, I made it to the lead. Last lap of the race. Stop passing in front of me! Ah! I was able to win by taking advantage of a crash. Oh, Dale Earnhardt Jr. has been sent flying by Chick Hicks! Oh, the crash is getting worse and worse! It's becoming a multiple car pileup. I didn't know what to do. I was just staying there, frozen. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm gonna live. What was I supposed to do? What should I do? What could I do? Look out! That's when I realized what the only thing I could do was. I'd have to try out something new. Something that would soon become a signature move of mine. And Lightning McQueen is the winner! Unbelievable! Completely unbelievable! Oh my gosh, this is amazing! On your face, Natalie, and your statistical analysis! I'm very sorry, Natalie. You're actually a very nice car. I didn't mean to offend you. Sorry. And that is the story of my first win. Woo! Yeah! Oh, that was awesome. Cool story, bro. What? Who are you and... How long have you been listening to me? Oh, I was driving on by here and I heard you talking. I thought you were talking to me, so, I sat here, listened to your story. Cool story, bro. Okay then.